Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share. I'm going to get started first with the stamp set. This stamp set is called Be Encouraged, and it's the first time I've done something a little cheeky. The sentiment here is sending you a little encouragement, a little play on words, and the entire stamp set, like the leafery bits and pieces in here, are mint. And I'm going to show you in some of the samples that I have. I've got this really fun whimsical teacup and some of the blooms. I'm going to go through all of the blooms, and I've got some hydrangea blooms here. This stamp set also has a coordinating die set available and something a little bit new that Gina added to the set that I just think it's just super fun. All right, let's go ahead and go through what the images look like in the stamp set. So I've got this wild and wonky cup or teacup. For me, it's a teacup. It could be a coffee cup for you. I've got a little polka dot stamp that is a perfect two-step stamp for the wonky cup here. I've got these cute little bits and pieces here. This is a little tea bag that works with the teacup and a little heart. And here are all of our mint elements. So I've got quite a few two-step stamping options with the mint. You can take the base line art piece of the mint and stamp the shadow here, or the two-step stamping here, and you can also do a two-step stamping there. And then this piece of mint that's going in the opposite direction, you've got the line art version of that as well to complete that image. So over here I also have some line art and some solid images. These are all kind of hydrangeas for just kind of getting ready for some spring. And I've got the center stamens that can be stamped into these two stamps, these two solid stamps, and then I also have one that has a center with it. The sentiments, the two sentiments are be encouraged. I just love that sentiment, the positivity of it, to just feel encouraged in your day and also send that to a friend or a family member. The sending you a little encouragement also has a coordinating die that will cut that sentiment out, which is kind of super fun and a little something different for the sentiment in this set. The cup die also will cut out the center portion of the handle. And there's pretty much a die for all of the elements in the stamp set to help you complete all of the pieces. So let's go ahead and dive into the inspiration. Okay, so this is a really fun card that uses every stamp set every stamp in the stamp set, and also that die cut for sending you a little encouragement. Here's that little piece that I was telling you about with the little tea bag coming out of the mug. We've got our leafery, we have our mint, and we have our flowers here just for this super fun, cute card. Okay. You know me, I love to do a pattern card, and the florals are perfect for doing some patterns. This is a really great sentiment from tonight's incentive set, just perfect to work right in with these flowers. Just love it. Here's some more patterns. I just love this color scheme. I love this mint, and with the sentiment be encouraged. Just kind of fun, really simple, sweet card. Alrighty, this one might be my favorite. Actually, the next one might be my favorite too. I know I say that about everything. Just did a little bit of coloring with some colored pencils here with my hydrangeas. Did some base work with some of the other solid stamps and just added that cute little heart element inside of the wonky teacup just to add a little bit of extra texture and dimension along with that polka dot. Just love this, super cute. That's So Very Happy for You is from the new incentive set, and it's just perfect right there. Just finishes off that card really nicely. Okay, we got a little watercolor magic here. So that the open line wonky teacup is perfect for doing any kind of coloring with your favorite coloring medium. And I've got these cute little hydrangeas and added a little bit of the hearts right there. Just loving that. I actually used the Gina K Designs inks when I stamped these hydrangea images to bleed out and just create that watercolor. I love that little mint that's on the front of the mug. You could stamp anything on the front of that mug just to give it a little extra character. Love it. All right, another super sweet and simple card using the mint and the flower elements and building them up. Just a perfect little happy birthday card. Add and also use that polka element that you can use with the mug as a backgrounder, and it just makes a really fun polka background. Okay, I just had some fun doing some patterns with the mint and the encouragement sentiment. Just a really super clean, kind of springy green card. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, same for this one. I just did a really, really fun patterned background with the polkas, added a little bit of the mint on top with that cute little cheeky sentiment to just kind of bring it all together. I have a brand new inspiration sheet for the Be Encouraged card ideas. You'll be able to find this inspiration sheet in the Gina K Designs group, and you'll also be able to find it on my website at indigojadeart.com and click on the freebies, and you'll be able to grab this inspiration sheet for 8 card ideas using Be Encouraged. Okay, let's take another look at the stamp set. This is Be Encouraged, and it is available now at GinaKDesigns.com. You can find it in the What's New section. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And if you're interested, I have more card and watercolor tutorials right here on this channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.